Stress is caused by obvious things such as accidents, trauma, changes that we go through such as divorce or when we experience death, family conflict, and issues within our finances. But also stress can also be caused by that inner resistance that we feel within when we want something, but we don't quite know how to make it happen for ourselves, or when we stop believing in ourselves and our ability. How we think and how we feel and what we believe is truly linked to our stress levels and our biochemistry. Learning this and understanding this on my journey was an absolute game changer when I was healing from symptoms of multiple sclerosis and when I was repairing my body from paralysis. It also applied when I've had to rebuild my life from many changes I've experienced in my life. With a flexible mindset, we can change our minds about what can be possible for us and what we're believing within ourselves, and then we can align our goals with what we believe can be possible.